You know, Mami Maloba, I was even analyzing this with my friend, ne? Just analyzing how when the internet bombed last year, when I bombed the internet last year, and we're just analyzing how this story took 100 turns. It was this, now it's this, now it's like this, now it's like this, now it's like, do you understand? And my friend was asking me, why do you think people think they know you this much, ne? And I had to sit and ask myself, and I've realized that people really think they know me because I've said the most controversial things online, right? For example, when I came out and said I will never leave my husband for cheating, which is still a fact, or I will never leave my marriage for cheating, and that topic is very relative. We can sit down and unpack it and do whatever, but that's just a fact. So if for somebody to bravely say that, you will automatically think that I've summed up this person. This person is like this, you can easily think you know a person. Like, I think that was just the most controversial statement I've ever said, and I think it stems from that. Like, I've gotten this trending that is currently happening starting from last year, how this thing took million turns until today, and this just shows that I think it's just the price we pay for putting our lives out there, and actually for being bold and bold, for being bold like me, like really speaking my mind. But the best person to tell you about me, like, now I'm answering to this person who's saying I'm downgrading because I want likes. Like, the best person really to tell you about just really me in that way. My dad will tell you about my resilience. Actually, my dad and my husband. I think I must stop saying my husband because get trickier about more online. Those two people are the best people to tell you. And my husband, Diana, will tell you about my authenticity. I'll tell you about my authenticity,
Mayintombi uzivile ezintsha sana kuthiwa ugel akararhararha uri nna ke ka ragarraga ba re gel wa ragarraga uri nna a ke tswe mo lenyalong ke ka luma certificate seo sa divorce ndingaluma loo nkqa yejaji uthi andinowhere, I am here to stay. Kuba ngathiwa hey yesisasikwazi lavala ucango athi mna ndizalivula elo cango andinowhere. Ibe wesi ke sana leyo ba kuthiwe hayi lo ntombazana uSlay Queen ke lo i-2000 eli kuthiwa hayi uthatha indoda omntu wena like intloni bethu nani makanqandwe thibang hey kuthiwe indoda kabani, because laa ndoda leya ayisabonakali nangetshengele. Bathi oomakhelwane ke abantu abakufitshane abazaziyo ke bathi hayi laa ndoda le sayigqibela ngonore, ayisekho kwalapha emagcekeni le ndoda leyo. Ngoku yekabani abe esithi ugeli guys, ndilibele ikhona iphathi apho ugeli athi we separated because of vision not division. Hayi bethunani isingisi, not division. Hayi ndithayo intombi sana uncame waphokophala kwisingisi sana. Yho guys, andiselost. Ikhona into enjalo nabethunani. We separated not because of division but for the vision of the family. Hayi uragarraga nyani guys, ngekhe makabotshelelwe uyaragarraga guys. Hayi sandiva into enje. Intombi uyithini yoba ndivela phaa kwelaa cala singazulukhwazi baleliphi. Jonga ke sana ndifika begcwalisela unom-owi phaa kusithiwa yewethu why uzopromota umntu ojole emtshatweni ntontoni why wawungatshongo uba ubathanda onontroyi wena ungathanda na xa kuthiwa utshatile indoda uthi sana nom-owi yima brika phofa yima uzohamba ngesantya esikhulu uzawulimala. Ndicela undi-explainele ndibhalanse apha indoda kabani ngubani otshatileyo, because kaloku ndoda hambile ayikho indoda kaloku akayiphethanga esandleni. Ushiyeke necertificate nendoda isishiyile icertificate because ayifuni kwanto imdibanisane esa certificate. Uyozatshiselwa endlini kufunwa sa certificate. uthi guys sanuconfuse izinto. Confusion andiyifuni ke mna, kanti bafuna abantu abaleleyo, andibafuna abantu abahamba ngonyawo lonwabo. Confusion, because kaloku laa ndoda leya ayitshatanga. Nawe xa ufuna umganga ungamganga, because kuthiwa utshilo kwenye yeecomments ke guys, ningakwazi guys nizasibambisa. Kuthiwa uthe kwenye yeecomments umntu oqomba unesikroko okanye akayithembi into yoba utshatile okanye atshatanga, guys yo makakhawulezise atsho. And then ke ngoku uGuy, andanoba nguGuy noba nguloo ntombi, kodwa omnye wabo uzawusenda ilocation yasehotele ayozijongela, ayozihlolela uba nyani utshatile okanye akatshatanga guys. Laa ndoda leya guys. Anyway ke sana ndiyabulela mntase ngondifollowisha, and thank you so much for a nice comment. Nqoma mani comment apha kuwe. I hope ke mntase sondifollowishile ku-YouTube, because ku-YouTube ndikhona live with Siya nemntase, because kaloku ndikusumarizele kamnandi, uyaqonda mos. Hey guys, uthi laa ndoda ithi liskantswara ke tsome. Kuthiwa ugirl akararhararha. Into seyishiyekile ngoku ngurarhararha. Nna ke ka rarhararha ke notswa. Ntombazana leya sana ithi izawuzokhutshwa ku-operation Dudula. Ayizuzibumela tu. And umntu ozozomkhupha sana funeke abe ungumntu ozithembileyo, osarhaba ubhawunsa, so umntu oqondayo uba yazi ntoni. Ndiqinisekile ngestori sama ndigunqe ndiyamkhupha umapromi, like it or not, raining or not, ndiyamkhupha umapromi, because umapromi uthi utlorarhararha, and she has rarhararhat enough guys. Like she has rarhararhat enough. Sekushiyeke nje uba ngoku athini asarende, but uthi no, not mina. Andikazusarenda kwamna, andigunqi, andikwandawo, ndihleli ukuzinza. Guys mani kancinci khempele ndiyokrobha, ikhona into engayiqondiyo phaa, ingathi seyikhona enye i-update ethile. Nditshomi umvile ke sana ugirl, intombi enkulu xa isithi we separated not because of division but for vision of the family. Ndithi yo hayi guys, amadoda azosihlanyisa, ngeke zawuchola kwi-dustbin. Yey apho adlule khona siya sizipoet sana, uqomba yazi intoni. You are so creative, abantu they've got nothing on you sana. Ndithayi sana ugirl sana uzenza i-clown even worse sana. And uGuy guys, hayi yena akafuna uyiva ke leyo baba separate nje umzuzwana akho nto itheni. uGuy uyenza clear uba mna ndino Beyonce light wam, and andifuna umuntu ongathi unesikoko okanye umuntu ongathi akayi-understand le nto. Uthi sana ubrothers xa kusithiwa hayi bo ndoda kapromise ubungekho ulinda umtshato aqala finalizwe yonke into igqitywe nto, wathi yo asoze umfundisi ulindwa ngeculo sana. Andinolinda kwaloo nto mna, into yanini leyo. Life is too short. And ke ngoku if ever wena kuloo ndawo uchophe kuyo unesikroko, uyaqonda uba nditshatile, masdibane ehotel ndikubonise hayi ke nenye sana la mfana ndisuke ndamoyika guys, andifuna uxoxa, ndiyamoyika, ndingumaqinase ne, kodwa kule game sana zange ndoyika into ngolhlobo. Uthi la bhuti lo wana mna andinakwanto okwenza nalowo, ndincedeni please, ningaphinde nindathatshe kulowo, nindincede. La bhuti ngoku into sekeyenza nam njengoba ndiposta apha kule ndawo ndiyamoyika, because ndiyamazi uba kuthiwa uyaleqa, uyanakweza abanye sana ilantuka ipage, akaphelelanga kweyakhe. Anything engathi athatsha kupromise uyahamba yoyi-adressa nakwezinye ipage sana emacaleni, afika athi ima andiboni igama lam elithi married to promise kule ndawo, ndicela nikhawulezeni ndikhuphe mna kule into. Andiyazi, andikho kuyo yonke le into mna. Uba nibiza upromise ningambize ecala kwegama lam. Laa mntu lo wam mna ndamshiya nesertificate somtshato, eyona nto nandibona uba sawukhuphana amehlo ngayo uba ndihamba naso okanye ndithi masisihlazule. So ndaqomba uba ndimshiye naso, ndiphume entweni ethethayo, ndizonwabele noBeyonce light wam sana. Njengoba nindibona ke, niyandibona mos, niyandibona uba ndiyaflorisha, ilife yam iyaphambile, ndiyaqhubeleka ndi-right. Utsho ke sana laa bhuti. Anyway mntase, thank you so much. I really appreciate i-comment yakho. I hope you did follow me ke mntase ku-YouTube, live with Siya ke lo, live with Siya. Ndiyacela wethu mntase, nam ndiyayifuna wethu la 3000 yebet nani sonke siyayifuna, siyilambele, siyahebezela, sifuna la 3000 siyahebezela apho sikhoyifuna la 3000. Hayibo ye guys, inyani le kuthiwa upromise besesaluni namhlanje eyorobhoza esithi ufuna ubali 2000, esithi I can be i-2000 that my husband want. but uba uhusband andishiye okanye aphumele ngaphandle, that can never happen on my watch. Ndizaba yile nto afuna uba ndibe yiyo. Yo, hayi guys, ngicela niyokroba, please ngicela nikhawuleze nibuye nayo, because wow, hayi what is this kaloku? If ever nyani beyorobhoza efuna uba lelo 2000 nyani kuthethwa, yo guys, ugirl uyararha nyani. She is raharahing. It's not even funny anymore. Like the raharahing, the amount of raharahing that she's raharahing at the raharahing moment, guys, can never be raharahad by any other woman in this planet, guys. Please ngicela niyofind out uba uyararha nyani now, girl. Then you'll find out uba umaxa ndawoni ugirl nokuba le 2000. Please guys, kuyaphuthuma. Guys, I asked, am I being toxic for ukuzithola ndihleka upromise kulesi simo wakuso, ndithima uowam, ndizithole ndideep kwezi ndaba zabo? Anyway guys, before siqhubeleka si-engage kwezi ndaba deeply, khanini balanceni, le ndoda ayikabani? Yeka Beyonce light okanye yeka promise le ndoda? Like yeka promise le ndoda okanye ye 2000 eli ibhizi nalo yehlise enyuka nalo? Like guys, apho ibonwa khona la ndoda ibonwa nela 2000, akho apho ihamba khona iyodwa without ela 2000. And ke ngoku la ndoda leya icapukela kwamntusana ongathi uthetha kakubi ngela 2000, ukuthi uvela adonsa isikhohlela kuthufe lapha ebusweni, usalibele kugeza ngela 2000 like sana, and kuthiwa ukubhlokha no xa usabhizi ugezelela 2000. Guys, yeka bani le ndoda? Please masibhalansaneni before sicaba ngosakhupha namehlo, because kuthiwa why sisonwaba xa indoda etshatileyo ijola ngaphandle, ichithela umfazi wayo. Babe besithi omakhelwane, hey guys, ngeke asimazi thina lo muntu apha, because le ndoda yemkayo sade salibala noba uchatile upromise. Abe esithi umampromi ke yena kwelakhe icala. No. People do not understand. People do not see the light here. Me and my husband, we separated, guys, because of the vision of the family, not the division, guys. Leni na nifunayo, nihalelayo, nilangazelelayo. Otherwise, me and my husband, we are busy building empire for our kids. He is building on his other end, ne 2000 lakhe that side alone, and then namgapa I'm also building empire for our kids. Then ke ngoku after maybe a decade sizawudibanisa ke ngoku i-estate zethu or into zethu, yabo i-assets zethu zibe into eyi-1, and then ke ngoku siqhubeka apho sasuyeke khona umtshato, because kaloku lo mtshato lo awenzeki xa sihleli soyi-2 and asikwazi ubuilda le nto siyibuildayo xa sisobabili. Guys, guys, andiyazi guys, masibhalansane kule part qala sizokwazi ukuqhubelekani sonkeni uba sithini kanye. Like le ndoda ayikabani? Mna ndifuna nindibhalanse kulo piece uba le indoda ayikabani. Please, once siyazi ukuthi indoda le yindoda yakabani, singaloko sikhuluma ngendoda yesingayazi ukuthi yindoda yakabani le ndoda. Le ndoda lena yindoda yakapromise or yindoda ye 2000, then sizoba nengxaki, because kaloku siya misplace le ndoda ukuthi le ndoda le uba nochithela who, because thina sicabanga ukuthi le ndoda le ichithela i-2000 ngopromise, or upromise uchithelwa li-2000 kule ndoda. Guys, kumele sisuse le confusion leyo ukuthi kahle indoda le yindoda yakabani, sizokwazi ukuthi sibe right. But amahemhem impukane eziluhlaza zithi upromise manje uyaraharaha, ufuna ukuba yi-side chick yendoda yakhe. Initially bekuyindoda yakhe, bekayi-main chick ashadiwe angumfazi wale ndoda. So le ndoda lena ithi yona ifuna ukuyenza this Beyonce light ukuthi kube uye umfazi, and then upromise abe umakhwapheni. Mara le ndoda le ithi ayifuni anything enopromise phakathi. Upromise ufuna ukuba ngumakhwapheni, uyaraharaha. Indoda ithi promise ithatha i-certificate, mina ngihambe nginje, because i-life yami mna ayikho kwi-certificate. I-life yami ingapha ku-Beyonce light. So kahle le ndoda yekabani guys, yekabani le ndoda, because manje ngifuna ukulala guys, but angikhona ukulala ngingayazi ukuthi le ndoda yekabani, ubuthongo abehli. I hope you guys, you are following me on YouTube. My name is Life with Siya on YouTube. Please guys, ufike nje uqithe ngo like and then bese udlula ngejubane ke ungayophoswa zindaba zikaLantu owami uyososo uyobukela owami ngapha ya.
But Deroko Arabe, now I'm relevant. With or without promise. With or without you, I'm relevant. So please. Maybe when I know about like you want to comment how by mentioning promise. Because so hona le ntho e tsebang ka promise o no batla gona re bue ka yona ene ntse bona gore ha re bue ka yona. I don't know, hona le ntho e seng right ko lona mo. Hona ntho e seng right. Ko di social media mona hona ntho tse re tlamileng re bua ka tsona, ha re bua fela re bua ka promise. Ene if ke batla bua ka promise ke tlo bua ka ene. Ene ke sa batla bua ka this thing. Ebile ke ha ke latelele ka tsela eo. But now since o buile ka yona, e re go botse because a ke re nna ke batla ba relevant ka promise, ke bone ka wena o batlang go ba relevant ka promise. Re go jwetse there is nothing new e etsahalang ko promise. Ntho e etsahalang ko promise ke ntho e etsahalang basading kaofela. There is nothing new. There is nothing new ya hore lenyalo la promise le a fela. Manyalo a batho hantsa fela kaofela kwa rona self religion a ntse re tswa manyalo nga manga kena ko ama and promise santsana le munyane o tlo nyalwa. And the other thing guys, promise, yes, hona ntho tsa di buileng tse ke filang hore tse ding tsa tsona ntwena maybe ka be sa fihlang mona mo e bang e fihlile teng haeba o ile a tloela pride ya hae. You know, I feel like batho ba haufi le promise nna ke nna again ke feel like ka ba morati ba rata bona promise ya ntsa le ka hara seretse ka hara ditaba, because if bana ba rata promise bana ba morata ka nnete ba ka ba ile ba re ba mo eletsa ba re promise ka taba ba wena na go santsane o nyetse o ile wa roa batho wa utlwisa batho ba bangata bohloko ke dipuo tsa hao. Ke nako ya hore hona jwanong o kope tshwarelo ko bathong. Ke feel like ka batho ba haufi le ena bana ba tlamile ba tsho jwalo ntho ene ka be sa fihla le hore promise ha go jika ka khona ke promise this promise that. Ke feel like ka be sa fihla mo e fihlileng. Just to say guys, ha ke qale ho etsa video about this. Guys, I am sorry like myself. Ena promise un ruile. Ena promise un tlhatlhamolotse mo di social media. Un tlhatlhamolotse mara ke mo kwatela. But I feel like just to say sorry nje. A ipe fatshe a re guys ne ke sa tsebe because rona ba banga ke re ne re bua se re tseba. Ene na na sa tsebe. Ke ka ho thu motsebi wa tsela ke motsamai wa yona. Rona ne re tseba ba ne re fitile ko teng. I don't know wa nkutlisa go ke batla gore ene hona le ntwe ke sa understanding e buya mo di social media ba re at least promise ha etse content ya bitter divorce le right upstairs ni right la le lebetse gore promise ke nana phela a bua ka banna this lenyalo descended tshela ha lenyalo le se le fedile why a sa address ka tsile ngata as much as I address ka tsela e right to say you know what lenyalo lela le ne ke le ka hare lona le fedile le a sa re jwetse gona why ke ne ke sa tsebe go le tla fela because ena nana hana batho ba feletsweng ke manyalo ke bona be leng di problems. I don't know wa nkutlwisisa o nana hana gore batho ba feletsweng ke manyalo ke bona be leng di problems. That's why re etsa di content tsa di bitter divorce to get what I'm saying. So the only thing ne hlokahala ho promise hore be ntho ya fihla mo le wa bana sorry ke jwetsa nnete batho ba bangata ba ka bantse ba sa kenelle promise de ba mo nkenellang ka teng. Promise na sa tsebe o nana hana gore ena lenyalo la hae a never le fele de we ne ke mo shebile ka teng. But it's fine ka ofela wa rona ha re nyala a ke mo blame ka ofela rona ha re nyala ha re nyala le divorce ebile ha re nahana gore lenyalo le ka fela re bona kana go fela gore lenyalo se le fedile but hona ya no I feel like hantsa rena ha batlo ho etsa content ya bitter divorce I don't understand na go nonyetso no rasa hona jole lenyalo le fedile ha batlo bua ka ena why ko wena o no tshwere taba ya lenyalo ne le fedile just like that. Why tlamile re bua ka lenyalo ha lenyalo le le teng ha lenyalo le se le siko why sa ruti batho hore batho ba modimo le na was one of those people be ne ke nahana go lenyalo la ka le ka sefeli. And the other thing ke bona batho ba bua ka ena promise ha bua ka o wa me only or maybe ha interview monna o wa me only o interview le monna wa phoshi ya koloi ya o tura phoshi koloi ya o tura monnelo a gona sa tsebo ko phoshi ya ge ona sa tsebo gore o besitse ka dikgomo tsa metsi di patsitse metsi ona sa tsebo gore ona besa mollo ka dipatsitse metsi a se ena fela le rona re le tjenana promise na re bolela go gona re bo my middle life crisis like she was saying so many things which is a ke mo blame guys because how sa tsebe gore na bophelo bo jwang bo promise ba sa le banyane and promise ntshepeng ha ke go santsana tlo nyalwa like o tlo nyalwa she's still young ha ba o santsana le batla because ena ke go believe ko lenyalo and there is nothing wrong le rona re nyetso bana re santsana re believe lenyalo guys if ne ke sa believe le ko lenyalo ka be ke sa nyalwa hape but ha ke bua maybe ke bua ka lenyalo ko basadi ba bang I'm trying to say basadi ba ske ba itebala ka haro manyalo lenyalo le ske la o etsa wena o itebale I'm not saying ga ke batle lenyalo no ke nyetso jwang ile ga ke batle lenyalo I don't know la nkutlwisisa I support lenyalo ka pelo ka yohle but ha o le mosadi se ka itebala ka go lenyalo wa bea lenyalo ko pelo wena o ipea ka morao I don't know la nkutlwisisa lenyalo le bohlokwa guys a se le mang le mang a tholang lenyalo ha o le thosi o tlamile o re ke a leboa modimo wa nkutlwisa ke ka ho re rapellang le manyalo a rona so bo promise ba santsane ba tlo nyalwa there is nothing new e etsetseng ko promise ke ntho tse etsetseng le ko rona bothata ko re promise una sa tsebe that's the only thing I can say and the other thing promise una tlamele bo tsile fela are I'm still repeating again just to say sorry because like promise o tlise batho ba bangata bohloko ha ke tsebe batho ba haufi le yena guys ha ba mo utlwa all along or hana ntsa bua dintho tse yes o hodile of course re tlo utlwa gore o hodile ha kare ke ne ke sa tsebo gore le nna ke tla tsamaya this journey and then tshepe batho ba ngata ba tlo ithute from ko promise o tlo ha batho ba bangata because bana ba shebile yena so o tlo ba jwetsa le yena ba jwetsa gore le ske la itebala ka go lenyalo le ka fela anytime I don't know la nkutlwisa gore ke batla o reng so a re le promise na a ke na mo ke lwan le promise ke lelang fela gore promise was supposed to say sorry isn't remove her on like ha ona ntho etsaetseng no ha re no move on like ha ona ntho etsaetseng because rona ba bang re ne re le di victim nna bile promise na nyolo wa ohle mona yana that guy na mo interviewer like everywhere it was me queenly you understand so ha ibila ke mo kwatela lo mo kwatela a ke bone le lebaka la hore ke mo kwatele because I know una sa tsebe but hona jeno o sa tseba I don't know la nkutlwisa go ke batla hore but aska tshaba hore a bue ka experience e bangwe experience tse ka lenyalo but not hore a re jwetse taba tsa I know like hore a tlo kgona ha batho be bang ba mo follower because by ho bua ka lenyalo ke taba go tlo ha batho ba latela but jonong ha sa bui hore na what's going on ka ga lenyalo di disadvantages tsa lenyalo ke tse dife ho fedile just like that but o believe ko lenyalo mara ha ba tlo bua ka di disadvantages tsa lenyalo manganyane guys na ke lwane le promise she's still young o tla ithuta and yeah that's the only but tshwarele yona ka nnete nna ke santsane ke tshole no ke re de wa khopiseng batho ba bangata wa tseba ke file ka gona tlamile a tswelle a re good people I'm sorry ne ke sa tsebe I'm telling you ba ka bantsa ba sa bui ka promise left and right bona the husband to itseng a re promise this thing antsa yetsa ke taba ba no wa tseba go yetsa chelete ka yona la mutlo go batla gore a re promise ntwena ntsa yetsa ke taba go o yetsa chelete ka yona go ka mantswa man le rona maybe I will say ha batlo gore a kope ditshogelo tsa tseba go this thing it lo direka because the more it direka the more a thola popularity I don't know but I'm not saying that but se ke tshoga ha nna ka kopa tshogelo go batho ntshepe batho ba ngata bana ba tlo motloela neng ke bana ba re promise ke taba gore I don't know ke pride or ke batho ba haufi le yena ba mo wesetse ena ha re yena na from se ke setse ba mo promise yana ona ema le banna la nkutlo gore nna ke itse ba promise nna o na yentse be clear hore yena o tlo ema le banna o baneneng ha hona batho ba emang le banna la nkutlwisisa ke o na e buile e be clear hore yena o tlo ema le banna because banna ha hona mo ballelang teng so yena o ba fa platform ya go ballele ko yena they must speak out on kutlwisisa ke guys but rather than that I don't see why tlamileng ke lwane le promise I mean really no so please if wena wa tseba go promise is relevant na promise yang ke relevant please ene o tla ithuta ntho tse tseng o promise ya etsa la wena le wane di etsa tse le ko rona re ithuta ka ntho tse tsena ke Love you all.
Dumelang guys, dumelang. Guys, ke nyoko tsena taba tsa batho. A sorry ga di tsena ke nyoko di entertain. Guys, a kere ge le posta dilo mo di social media. Le nyaka di views tsa rena le comments tsa rena le whatever. So this morning I came across Lawrence Makunyana and Promise Makunyana. I'm not saying Kitlo Saitali Promise over Lawrence, but I just want to say the fact, the reality. But everything starts from the scratch. So I just want to talk about this. Tabaya Promise Makunyana ya go change her marital status or ya go move her out of the marriage. Each year we apare. Each year we behave as Lawrence Makunyana is your brother. Secondly, Promise Makunyana onyechi Salomunyani. And Anyalongi Salomunyani, I'm blaming the mother here. I'm blaming the mother, I'm blaming the sisters. If Ilorvanyeji, I'm blaming them. Because when I had you need to tell that person the truth. But if you are looking to benefit, you won't even tell the truth. According to statements of Promise Makunyani, everybody was taking care of her. Mama taking care of her. Sisi taking care of her. Take care of her. Just because now she can stand on her feet, marital status. Why in the first place, if you were right or you wanted to do that because you are not wiki, why usari munohare arosa na my darling lena family lebele mo advice or no ejwa ka mo skela signa in community of property because of this 1 2 3 reasons, but because na sa bereki le dumetsa signa in community of property because now o ipereka o santja tso ka mara dilo tšeo. What does that mean? What does that mean to a human being, guys? I remember are facing reality. Gore na according to me gore family ya Promise Makunyana ba selfish and ebile ba ruta ngwana bona dilo tsa go se ka tsela, because the other side ye nna ke feelang gore Promise Makunyana a ka ba a dirile is because o selfish Promise Makunyana, because if the husband akabale le ngwana ko strateng and then it happens or the husband go maintain ngwana, Promise Makunyana ba tlumisha maintenance ko to maintain ngwana wa monna ga go strateng, of which dilo tšeo le paletse go mmotsa tsona from the scratch gore ge o ka popa ngwana ka ke no o sa safara o tlhokometse ke monna go ka popa o tse gore everything's gonna remain the way it is. But you guys decided to keep quiet until Apopa no as an entrepreneur. Yes, you would be the entrepreneur. That's how she is. Now she decided to move out of the marriage. She decided to change the marital status. Mara, honestly speaking, if Lawrence Haga divorce Promise Makunyana, I won't be blaming Lawrence because o tekile care ka Promise Makunyana aba munyala aba magela motse mara letse ba ntwa Promise Makunyana lena. Remember Promise Makunyana na sa bereki ntwa gage bona I molle kinyoko, for example I molle leveleng ja bokholo and bokholo they work hard le banna ba bona ba share dilo tša bona. So my Promise Makunyana a sa nga bereka come according to statement sa gage, nna ke kwele statement sa gage a seng ke a bereka because monna na mo thoma ka phetse a mo rekela everything, eyebrow pencil, mangina, ntongo le nngwe ne reka ke monna sa re ke Promise Makunyana. So just because now o modimo mo bless it o khona go tsena to the level ya bo entrepreneur, o feel selfish gore monna gage a tla share dilo le yena. Okay, fine, I do understand. Promise Makunyane genkebe monna gage a tlhokofale by that time. Let's Promise Makunyane na tlo benefit everything from the husband because of married in community of property. So no ka re Promise Makunyane o na le tšhelete ga nya gore ge ena ka tlhokofala monna ga benefit from yena. Gore guys, let's look this thing ka maitlho a mabedi re be straight. And Promise Makunyane o re boditse gore yena ka re ga lenyala ka sentšhe go cheat. That one we know gore monna le ga ka cheat jwang kapa jwang la ka mkhoja robetse ka moreng ya ga Promise Makunyane na lenyalo la ga le ka se thube ke cheating. So Promise Makunyane shows us gore lenyalo la ga le thubile ke bo selfish o rata tšhelete. And ebile pila according to nna Promise Makunyane ga a nyalwa that time ke feel gore na nyalela tlala. Promise Makunyane na nyalela tlala a ikwisha re monnola o manity o tla ntlhokomela o tla nkagela motse ga botse tlala re dirisha mathata. So no, it shows gore tlala ga o ka popa o boitswa ka tlaleng mothola wa moraga wa molahla. I can promote anything if like rarelle motho, but when you look at this and we analyze, guys, irisha go tlala e tlo bolaisha. And thank you for Lawrence Makunyane to be a man, because some of the weak men ba feletsa ba bolaya basadi because of that. Ke go di just kolong ke go di rileng o bole motho go di risteng o di rileng life all nka ga yona is because of me. Now you decided to change a fetsa bolaya motho. Thank you my brother to be a man. I salute you because o meleditse man o meleditse sona le ba go di tattoo ba no ngapa a meletsa meleditse bohloko ngwana mma. I took you as my brother. Imagine this thing e tlhagalla ngwana mmaka buti ya ka gore moratho aka e le gore na tlhokometse ngwana batho to such extent ya gore a ba start a business ya gage. So guys, in short ke nyako le bontšha gore banna tlogelang go phutha batho man le phutha mekopa, tlogelang go phutha basadi banna, tlogelang go phutha mosadi. Ska go ja motho a sena life wa motse gore ke tla mo dia go rabele life. Kira motho a bereka at least a bereka Shoprite or a bereka Pick n Pay or a bereka somewhere a bereka a tseba tshokola a tseba re kana de tshile lengwe swantse a safari cause mothola no man. Hi man, basadi le cruel man. Hi that's why ke sa le rate nna ke rate basadi. If you can check most of my content, I ke rarela basadi ha ke le rate because of mekgwe ya lena. Hi man, ke yang copisa this thing ke le rata ka moka. Promise Makunyane ke a morata shemane ke a mo follower. Lawrence Makunyane ke a morata ne ke a mo follower. Mara ntho e Promise e dirileng guys, I understand she was very young, but o misleadile ke di parents and the friends and the sisters. Guys, yo sit down with your husband, dula fatshe le yena bolela le yena, unless e le gore go tsweng ka mogare ga lenyalo Lawrence was very abusive. Yo yona a seng ke ka kopana le yona a seng ke ka ekwa. But if Lawrence was very abusive, Promise o deserve go tswa ka gare ga lenyalo. If e le gore no tlhorisha ngwana batho, Promise o deserve go tswa ka gare ga lenyalo, because one time o tlo mmola ra tseba lena shetse le kry le dinyatsi la sokodisha. But if a seng go be le that kind, cause yona a seng ke ya abuse a seng ke kopane le yona GPV a seng ke Promise ke mona e postile, maybe ke sa tlo kopana le yona a kids mara a seng ke bona e postile. But if that was the case, Promise o dirile botse a tswa ka re ga lenyalo, and ebile mara na sa swanela go tswa a separate na senja no faila divorce, clear divorce go be 50-50, because a save bophelo ba gage, a save dignity ya bana ba gage, a save le trauma mo baneng ba.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. Guys, so no promise Nkosi yami yabona never ever say ukuthi indoda yakho indoda ngeke uyishiye noma kwente njani because izokuhlaza, and never defend indoda ke sana, because what is this ke no clearly the husband or the ex-husband rather is really tired of a promise. Yes, she was here on my social media platforms claiming ukuthi they are still married, and people are making fun of promise lapha enkundleni zokuxhumana. Please do comment your thoughts down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out, so goodbye.